watching Tony R619 Breaks. Booyah!
What's up, my YouTube friends? Tony back with another video, another box break of Hot for Teacher 2012. We've gotten all the girls we wanted to get except Cassandra Lynn. We still haven't gotten Cassandra Lynn. She's been missing school, girls. I'm gonna have to give her detention. Yep, she's been misbehaving. So she's gonna have to go to detention because she hasn't been present in school. All right, wish me luck with this box, guys. Here we go. The first card is Yvette Nelson. And this is 6 out of 25, gold foil. Very nice. Very nice, schoolgirl. Ooh, nice. Is this a one? Ooh, we got a 1 of 1, guys. Tiffany Selby 1 of 1 class cuts. Very nice. Awesome. Class cuts of Tiffany Selby 1 of 1. Very nice. I like this card. Awesome. Next, we got a authentic schoolgirl swatch of Lisa Gleave. Very nice. Booyah. And look at this, guys. We got another autograph. This is 5 out of 10 Tiffany Top class cuts. So we got 2 class cuts in 1 box. A 1 of 1 and a 5 out of 10. Very nice. And this is like a pink foil where the other one's red. Very, very cool. I like these DNA cards. Awesome. So that was a good box break, guys. Let me know what you think. All right. We'll see you on the next one. We got like 2 more boxes to go. And we're still looking for Cassandra Lynn. All right. See you guys. God bless.